cat was enjoying its food, but suddenly its stomach started hurting. He ran towards the school bathroom. Because he was too lazy to stay long, he took out his phone and started watching TikTok. He watched for so long that he eventually fell asleep. Now, day had turned into night. He woke up startled, realizing everything had turned dark. Unknowingly, a terrifying shadowy figure was following him. It turned out that the school became home to ghosts at night.
Happy Halloween.
Now, he promised never to be naughty and fall asleep in the school bathroom again.